We are the Fluffies.
Hi, it's Eric. This is Eric.
Is it?
Yeah.
And this is Christian.
And we're the Fluffies.
Yes.
So, welcome.
We are the hotel you usually stay when you come to New Jersey,
Yes, Element Harrison.
Harrison. So we're gonna do a quick tour of our room.
Yes. So one of the reasons we stay in Harrison, New Jersey is because the hotel is right next to the PATH station and it goes right into New York City. In about 25 minutes we get to the World Trade Center and we're right next to Newark, New Jersey, and we don't pay New York rates on hotels. It's much cheaper here. And our hotel is right there. We love the shower. It's one of those rain showers, so it's very relaxing and a lot of room, so it's really nice.
Oh my god. Look who's there.
Ooh.
Oh
Oh my god.
The mirror.
And what I love about this place is it's a feeling of home. You have a regular sized fridge, a freezer, you even have a dishwasher, and they have dishes over here. There's a small oven, or not oven, hot surface, and they have spices and stuff.
You can make your coffee.
And another good thing is the sun does come through, but it's not very overly bright. And the beds are comfortable. And another thing we love is we have a small sitting area, so we can watch a movie here. Or if we want to watch something from the bed, we just slide it over.
That's the tour in the room.
Yes, beautiful room.
They have
Great
different
hotel.
kinds of room also. They have one with one bed only, another it's like a small apartment.
The bedroom is a separate room.
Yes, and they have a pool.
Yes, they have a pool.
Breakfast is included.
Breakfast is included, so it's really great.
And they have a shuttle.
Yes, they have a shuttle that picks you up from the Newark airport and also takes you around in a 3-mile radius from the hotel.
So far it's convenient. Have the Brazilian stores here, restaurants. So it's good. So now we're gonna show you a bit of downstairs.
Yeah, the lobby and the outside.
This is the magic of video. Now it's daylight. It's next day. So this is the lobby where they have the breakfast. You can sit down here, and there's the shuttle you're gonna take to the restaurant or to the airport. And down there they have a living room with a TV, so it's very comfortable. And there's some restaurants around here. And usually from through here you reach the PATH. That's the train from New York to New Jersey. So it's very convenient. That's why we always take, when you come here, we stay here. Look who's back. So we're set to go.
Yes, we are.
So we're the Fluffy, so follow us, subscribe,
Yes, please do.
and like our videos, share, please. So we should go before we miss our shuttle. So see you later.